Hi, I'm Joy Rockwell, and I'm going to help you understand some of the basics regarding financial aid. So your son or your daughter wants to go to college, and St. Mary's University is a top choice. If you're like most families, you're going to need some financial assistance. Your background might allow us to award you an automatic scholarship based on your academics or leadership, or a grant based on where you attend school or if a family member has graduated from St. Mary's. That's great, but that's often just the start of the financial assistance that may be available to you. Did you know that the federal government is the largest source of financial aid for students attending all colleges across the nation, providing over $150 billion every year? The application for these funds is easy to complete and it's free. That's right, the FAFSA, or Free Application for Federal Student Aid, is free to apply. That's why they put free right there in the name. Each October, a new FAFSA becomes available for the following school year. You will fill this out using the tax return you filed in spring, and you will not have to update the FAFSA with new financial information when you file next year's taxes. We strongly encourage you to take advantage of the IRS data retrieval tool to auto-fill in the majority of financial questions with accuracy. You do need to fill out a FAFSA every year to qualify for financial aid. Colleges will use that information to determine what kind of aid and how much you'll receive. By completing the FAFSA, there are three main types of financial aid you could qualify for. Grants, which are considered gift aid, just like scholarships, because the money is a gift and does not need to be paid back. Work study is money that can be used to pay for college and is earned through an on-campus job. And finally, loans are considered self-help and is money that must be repaid. Federal loans are real loans and must be paid back, so it's important for students to take out only what they need. The FAFSA should be completed online at fafsa.gov. This is the official and free website. You can have your FAFSA sent to St. Mary's by using our FAFSA code 002380. If you have any questions, please check out our other videos or contact your St. Mary's admissions counselor, our financial aid office, or Cardinal Central. We look forward to receiving your FAFSA.